Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video I'll talk about the macOS Monterey. I'm sure you have installed the macOS Monterey on your Mac and you are browsing a lot, and that's why I am here with the recommendation for some tips and tricks in Safari that will enhance your using experience for sure. So first of all, let's start with the start page. It looks the same just like the updated one in macOS Big Sur. Favorite at the top, privacy report, frequently visited, and suggestions from Siri. The new thing, we can customize the background image of the Safari start page. Click on the menu from the bottom right corner, and from this menu select background image and pick from the existed images or pick the one you like. This feature is nice, but I like the geeky look of keeping it clean. One more feature that helped me a lot to stay in sync, and that is iCloud Sync. Check this box and it will add a tab that I have recently opened on my other devices like iPhone or iPad, and it will appear under from Nikhil's iPhone section. Even if I'm not using my iPhone and handoff feature is turned off, I can easily resume what I'm browsing on my iPhone to my Mac easily. And I like this feature just because it helped me to be more productive. I also want to talk about one more feature, that is Hide My IP, which is available for all the user in macOS Monterey. In Safari Preferences, head over to Privacy tab and tick mark the Hide My IP. And that will hide your IP address, which can be used to determine personal information like your location. Now let's switch to the tab bar, and it got redesigned too. Head over to Safari Preferences. In the tab section, we have two options, compact or separated tab. The compact one will adjust the tab bar in a single row, while the separated one will show a big address bar and the tabs below it. My personal choice is compact one because it allows me to have a more space on a web page, and I think the separated one looks ugly or old school style design. So I'm keeping the compact tab bar on my Mac. Right over here, notice the second option for show color in the tab bar. Activating this feature will give a nice look and it feels good to use Safari browser. Just take a look how it adopted the colors of the iGeeks blog, and it looks more appealing. And if I open the apple.com, then it will adopt the color from the website and will change the tab bar color. I have a great experience and I am more attracted to it. Hey, where is the reload button in Safari? My friend, it's hidden. Just move a cursor to the address bar and it will appear. And even if it is not there, we can reload the page by pressing Command+R. Now in this new design of Safari, instead of reload button, we have option to share the page, bookmark the current page, view the privacy report, and yes, we can add this page to the quick note. And the quick note is a new feature in macOS Monterey and iPadOS 15. Not to worry, I'll make a detailed video about the quick note, but the question is, how will you know that? I think you guessed that. Then what are you waiting for? Just hit the red subscribe button, turn on all the notifications to get notified for the every video content I upload to this channel. The compact tab bar houses fewer functions in the toolbar, but not to worry, we can customize it too. Head over to View menu and select Customise Toolbar. Hey, see a nice animation. I like this change. From this toolbar window, we can drag and drop the tools like iCloud tabs, tab overview, history, zoom, autofill, and the reload button too. I have kept the default toolbar as I know few shortcuts to open a new tab with the Command+T. For a new window, Command+N. For a private window, Command+Shift+N, and Command+D to bookmark this page, and lot more. So I like to keep the clean tab bar with a clean look. We have clean and compact tab bar with custom tools, adaptive colors, but what next? The next is tab groups. In iOS and iPadOS 15 and in macOS Monterey, Apple introduced a new tab group feature in Safari to segregate our research, reading, or entertainment tabs. There is an easy way to create a tab group and move tabs to that group. Right-click on the address bar, and here is an option to move to the tab group. Another way is by clicking on a down arrow of the tab group, and we can move it to the groups we already created or create a new group. Right from here, you can easily access tab groups. I usually keep two tab groups, Nikhil for my personal stuff and iGeeks blog for my professional stuff, you can say. As of now, I don't have a more tab groups because I create them for some jobs. And once it's done, I delete them by simply clicking on it while holding a control key on my Mac. And that shows an option to delete it. Another way to access the tab group is from the sidebar. And right from here, you can access the link which is shared with you over the messages, bookmarks, and a reading list. I usually don't use the sidebar because I switched to the tab groups and I'm finding it more convenient. So this is kind of explanation of new Safari features and some tips and tricks that I'm using on daily basis and that helping me a lot to enhance my user experience. And I hope that help you too, right? If it is, then like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, do download our iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.